Hello everyone, welcome back to Teacher Kayal's Guide to Biology A Plus. In this video, I'll guide you through answering SPM trial questions on the topic chemical compositions in a cell, focusing on carbohydrate, lipid and protein. Carbohydrates are important for cells because they are the main source of energy for all activities. They also act as a food reserve, meaning stored food that can be used to release energy when needed later. In addition, cellulose in the cell wall provides structural support to help maintain the shape of plant cells. Carbohydrates are divided into three groups: monosaccharides, disaccharides, and polysaccharides. Monosaccharide is simple sugar made of one sugar unit. Disaccharide consists of two sugar units joined together. Polysaccharides is made of many sugar units linked together to form long chain. Presence of reducing sugar can be tested using the Benedict test. To explain the observation of the presence of reducing sugar, state the name of the sugar being tested and describe whether the sugar change or remain the blue color of Benedict solution. Then whether the sugar form or doesn't form brick red precipitate. Then conclude whether the sugar is a reducing sugar or non-reducing sugar. Lactose is found in dairy products such as milk and cheese. Here are the importance of polysaccharides in multicellular organisms. Wheat contains starch which has no taste. However, when you chew wheat for a long time, your saliva mixes with the starch. Saliva contains amylase enzyme that breaks down the starch into maltose, which tastes sweet. Seaweed film is composed of cellulose. It is environmentally friendly because it is a biodegradable material. A biodegradable material means a material that can be broken down naturally by microorganisms such as bacteria and fungi. Chitin is a polysaccharide found in the external skeleton of crabs and insects. One advantage of using chitin to make surgical thread is that it can decompose naturally in the body after the sewn wound heals. Therefore, the stitches do not need to be removed, which reduces pain and saves time. Lipid acts as the heat insulator in the skin, which reduces heat loss from the body to maintain body temperature. Lipids also line the internal organs, which cushion the organs to protect them from injury. Food P, which is olive oil, contains unsaturated fats, while food Q, which is cheese, contains saturated fats. The differences are unsaturated fats have at least one double bond between carbon atoms, whereas saturated fats only have single bonds between carbon atoms. Because of this, unsaturated fats can accept more hydrogen atoms, but saturated fats cannot accept additional hydrogen atoms. Another difference is that unsaturated fats are usually liquid at room temperature, while saturated fats are usually solid at room temperature. Presence of fats can be tested using the ethanol emulsion test. If a white cloudy mixture forms, it means fats are present. Proteins are made up of amino acids. The amino acids are used by the body to repair damaged tissues and build new cells. Liver is one of the organs involved in organ transplant. 40% to 60% of the donor's liver is donated to recipients with diseased liver. The liver donor should consume protein-rich foods such as fish and chicken because the amino acids in protein help to repair liver tissues that damaged during surgery and build new liver cells. In few weeks, donor's liver and recipient's liver will grow again to the size of normal liver. When the body does not get enough protein to produce keratin for hair, the hair becomes weak, so tend to fall. When the body does not get enough protein to produce keratin for nails, the nails become weak, so tend to break. In this video, I've covered most of the 2021 to 2025 trial questions. If you would like to have the complete set of these trial questions, feel free to contact me using the email address stated in the description. Remember, study smarter, not harder.